Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how can you make your liked video private on Likee application. So let's get start our video. So first of all, you need to launch on your Likee application, and after that sometimes you like some Likee video, and if you want to if you want to or if you give a like this kind of video, but if you want to make this liked video private, no one can see your liked video. So how should you do? Just go to your profile like that, and then tap on this three line on the top right corner. There you can see three line menu bar option. Just tap it, and after that you can see a option settings on the bottom. So just tap it, settings, and after that you need to go privacy on the top second option, privacy. Just tap it, and after that you can see a option on the second or third option, who can view my like list. Who can view my like list, I marked it. So just tap on it, and after that there have a option only me. So just tap on only me. Now your liked video list or like list is private. No one can see your liked video on Likee application. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.